Now in this equation 2 plus I upon 3 minus I 1 plus 2I. At first denominator multiply these two brackets. It is 2 plus I upon 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 6I minus I minus 2I square can be written as 2 plus I upon 3 as it is plus 6I minus I get 5 and minus 2 I square is minus 1. It is 2 plus I upon 3 plus 5I minus of minus get plus. It is 2 plus I upon 3 plus 2 5 plus 5. Yes. To get now, can you take conjugate of denominator? Similarly, take conjugate of denominator, which is 2 plus I and 5 minus 5I divide by 5 plus 5I, 5 minus 5I. It is 5 to the 10, 2 5s are 10 also, 10I minus 10I. I multiply by 5, 5I. I into minus 5I, which is minus 5I square divide by A plus B, A minus B, which is A square, 5 square minus 5I square, 5I brackets. It is 10 as it is minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5I minus 5I square is minus 1 upon 5 square 25 minus 5 square 25 and I square is minus 1. It is 10 minus 5I minus of minus plus 5 upon 25 minus of minus plus 25 minus 25 into minus 1, which is 25. 5 plus 10, sorry, 10 plus 5 is 15 minus 5I upon 50 can be written this real part and imaginary part, make it separately. It is 15 by 50 minus 5 by 50 I is equal to, reduce it, 5 3 is a 50, 5 10 is a 50, 3 by 10 minus 5 1 is a 5 upon 5 10 is a 50, which is comparing with A plus comparing with A plus IB, that A is equal to 3 by 10 and B is equal to minus 1 by 10. Now this equation can be started here, root minus root 5 that is plus 2 and root 4. Root 4 is 2. Root 4 is 2I plus 1 minus root 9 is 3I plus, these are two brackets, A plus B, A minus B. This is A square, 2 square minus 3I brackets. Now solve this bracket, minus root 5 plus 2 to the 4I plus 1 minus 3I plus 4 minus 3 square 9I square, 9I square. Now solve this bracket, which is minus root 5 plus 4I plus 1 minus 3I plus 4 minus 9 I square is minus. Now solve this. Minus root 5 plus 4i, 4i root 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 5 minus of minus plus 9. Now this 1 2 3 4, these are 4 numbers. This is root 5 minus root 5 as it is. 1 plus 4 5 minus of minus plus 9 and 4i minus 3i get plus I. This is 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14 minus root 5 plus I. Which is real part and imaginary part. Comparing with a plus ib. This is a is equal to 14 minus root 5 and b is equal to 1. So that minus 1 plus root 3i bracket 2 is a real number. Now at first minus 1 plus root 3i bracket 2. You know that a plus b bracket 2, expansion of a plus b bracket 2, which is, anyone know that? a cube bola a cube
plus plus thrice a square b
thrice a square b plus
thrice a b square.
good, it is correct. Can we written this as it is? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Same. Because a power of a is decrease and power of b is increase. Now a is minus 1 and b is root minus 3i. Now which is a cube minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 1 square a square, b is root 3i plus 3a is minus 1 and b square is root 3i bracket square plus b cube is root 3i bracket cube. Yes. Now make power minus 1 cube minus, because minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 as it is minus 1 square 1 and root 3i as it is same as it is, which is plus minus plus which is minus 3 and root 3 square which is 3 and I square plus 3 root 3 cube, root 3 into root 3 into root 3 which is root 3 into root 3 3 plus 3 root 3 I cube. Yes, am I right? You understand it? Root 3 cube, root 3 cube means which is root 3 into root 3 into root 3, 2 times root 3 into root 3 is 3 and another I cube. Now can we write this minus 1 plus 3 root 3 I minus, this is a 9 I square plus 3 root 3 I cube is minus. Yes, I cube is minus. Can we write this 1 minus 1 plus 3 root 3i minus 9 I square is minus 1 plus into minus 3 root 3i. Now this plus 3 root 3i minus 3 root 3i get cancelled, which is minus 1 minus of minus plus 9 minus 1 get 8, which is real number. 3 plus 2 upon I. My in the second bracket I to the power 6 minus I to the power 7 bracket complete. In third bracket 1 plus I to the power 11 bracket complete. Now multiplication between three brackets. Now at first it is 3 plus 2 upon I. Second bracket I to the power 6 minus I to the power 7 1 plus I to the power 11. Now at first this fraction make it integer. 3 plus 2 and 1 upon I. 1 upon I is that they given this value. 1 upon I is minus 1. Yes, you know that? 1 upon I is minus 1. बरोबर आहे का? 1 upon I, which is 1 upon I is equal to 1 into I upon I into I. Right? Means this is a conjugate of I. चा conjugate I is असणार आहे. I upon my I square. I square means minus 1. I upon minus 1, which is minus I. Sorry, minus I. Minus I. And I to the power 6. I to the power 6 can be written this I to the power 4 plus 2 minus I to the power 4 plus 3. In third bracket 1 plus I to the power 8. 4 to 8 plus 3 can be written this 3 minus 2I. In second bracket I square I to the power 4, which is 1. I square minus I to the power 4 is 1, not I cube, and 1 plus here is I to the power 8 is 1 and I to the power 3. Now at first sort this bracket. 3 minus 2I. I square is minus 1 and I cube is minus I. I cube is minus I. There is 1 minus I. Together 3 plus 2I. Sorry, 3 minus 2I. And another is minus 1 plus I. And 1 minus I. Now multiplication of these two brackets, which is 3 minus 2I. At first multiply this minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into minus I, minus of minus plus I into 1 plus I into minus I, which is minus I square, which is 3 minus 2I minus 1 plus 2I, and I square minus I square is minus 1, which is 3 minus 2I minus 1 plus 2I plus 1, 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, remain 2I, 3 minus 1, 3 to the 6I, 2 to the minus 4I square, which is 6I minus 4I square is minus 1, which is minus of minus get plus 4,